Hey, hi, welcome to my presentation. Do you want to live life on your own terms? Are you ready to discover the money you can make by working online just at the comfort of your home? And here is an opportunity for you. Many people join us for various reasons, and I do understand with us it's all about you. Do you dream of having an income that lasts you more at your spare time? A lifestyle of freedom, luxury, rewards, and professional recognition? Earn some extra money and to build a high profile career. Whatever it may be, you decide. You're here for some reasons. The very first criteria we look in for people is their dreams. Yes, dreams play a major role here. With a dream, you can achieve so much of things in your life. So, a dream with strong passion, you can make it everything successful here. I'm very proud to introduce my brand partner. It's Oriflame. It's a Sweden-based company founded in 1967. It's a 50-year-old company. It's the largest number one direct selling company in Europe. It's presented in more than 60 plus countries. It has nearly 3 million consultants worldwide, and it strongly believes in person to person recommendation. Unlike other brands who focus more on commercial advertisements, here this company believes only on person to person recommendation. So with Oriflame, it began with a dream to provide an opportunity for people to change their lives and for fulfilling their dreams by offering a nature inspired Swedish cosmetics and dynamic business opportunity that is open to everybody. So there is a difference between a linear income and residual income. Our opportunity is completely a residual income based opportunity. So what is the difference? Here in a linear income, it is a normal job. When you go for a 30 days working in a job, you will be paid for the 30 days. When you quit, you will not be paid. You can't enjoy the benefits of your working. But here, even if you work, for example, if you work for nearly 4 to 5 years, you can enjoy the benefits throughout your career. So that's residual, and our opportunity is a residual based income opportunity. In Oriflame, we do have 1,000 plus products with us, ranging from various categories, right from skincare, color cosmetics, healthcare products, basic essential products like bathing accessories, soap, shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, etc., fragrances, body sprays, deodorants, and we do have some branded accessories with us. And our products, you can safely use it as we undergo so many eco-ethical screening, and we do use natural extracts in our products, and even the exfoliants we use are very eco-friendly, earth-friendly, and it undergoes nearly strict European standards, and we don't use any GMO based products, and it undergoes many rigorous safety testing, so you can feel safe on using our products. So, to avail a monthly income from this opportunity, we have two main principles to be followed. The first principle is the recruitment, and second principle is self shopping for 100 BP. So, the first principle of recruitment is the base of the business, blood of the business. Here, you will be recruiting people just by recommending this business opportunity to your friends or relatives or whoever you know. In case you are not that much confident to recommend this opportunity to your inner circle, you can make use of social media. And not a rocket science, we will give you trainings for everything, even on how to communicate with people, on how to approach a new lead, everything. We will give you a perfect guidance on trainings. From morning until evening, you will be having trainings. Whenever you are free, you can make use of it to attend the sessions. So recruitment, if you concentrate at least 3 people in a week time to recommend and make them register under you, you are very good. You are much capable of reaching multiple titles within a shorter period of time. So everything is online. We will be giving you the trainings completely at free of cost. So recruitment is not a rocket science. If you are open to learn for our basic trainings and advanced trainings, you can do wonders with recruitment here. Coming to the second principle, self shopping. Self shopping, you can just simply join Oriflame and begin by trying our products at consultant discounted prices, And you can start by recommending your favorite products to your friends and families, like your own parents, your own brothers or cousins. You can just tell them, and you can provide the products at just 20% discount. You can avail it as a profit as well. So it is up to you. Here we don't force anyone to sell the products. It's totally your wish to go ahead with selling. You start by self-using for yourself, even from the basic essential products like soap, shampoo, conditioners. All these years you will be trying from some other, using from some other brands, right? But those brands, they don't come to you and tell you like, being a loyal customer for my company, I'm giving you this as compliment. Like, you're not getting any kind of income or something from that other companies. But here, when you purchase the products, when you self-use the products, you can look great, because you will not be having any kind of side effects or disadvantages on using it for your skin or your hair, or making taking intake also. As if you are nutrition deficiencies, you can just use our health beneficial supplements for your nutritional deficiencies. So you have a wide range of products to try with. So every household, they will be in need of these basic essential products. Just recommend the products to others at you can give at their discounted price also, or else you can just use the products for yourself. And every month we will be getting catalog from the company. In the catalog you will be having various prices near to product, and near to the product you can see the price and the particular BP is business point. So in a month you are in need to complete your 100 business point, either an accumulated business point 100 BP, or you can go ahead with our hero sets to do 100 BP at one shot. So you can start from your basic. You can just go in around your house and find the products whichever using from other brands. Just divert those purchases into Oriflame. By that you will be eligible for your income. So all sorts of trainings or social media will be provided. It is only up to you to get into the trainings and implement the things for your success. So one important product in Oriflame is our Oriflame Success Plan. So Oriflame Success Plan offers unlimited opportunities with no risk, and success of earnings depend on your drive to work hard and achieve. So here you can see various levels, nearly 24 levels here. So you go to your leader and tell her, this is the income I am dreaming of, I need this income. So with this opportunity, how could I achieve that income? So your leader will be giving you a particular work plan for the level which you are in dreaming of a particular income. So one prime level in the success ladder is the goal director level. So every brand partner here will long to become a goal director. So what is the benefit of becoming a goal director? You will be eligible to achieve a one-time cash payout additional to your income. You will be eligible for your earnings, your bonuses, cash awards, recognitions, stage recognitions. You can travel for some international conferences, and you can qualify for some dream programs like signing up for the car or house construction, your kids education. Like whatever you dream of, you can achieve it by starting from your goal director level. So how to make money with Oriflame? So any job, if you are working continuously, after showing some performance only, you will be eligible for some bonuses. But here, right from the beginning of the month, right from the starting, you are eligible for two kinds of bonuses. One is speed bonus and entrepreneur bonus. So speed bonus is, as I shown you in the success ladder, if you reach from the month of beginning, so if you reach up the first 4 levels in the success ladder consecutively, you will be eligible, you will be paid certain amount each month, and at the end of 4 months you would be getting a total sum of 6,250 rupees. So that is your speed bonus. As I told you, recruitment is the key here. So when you recruit people, and your recruits, when they reach up the success ladder, just like you, when they reach up the 4 levels from starting, so for their growth on each level, you would be getting certain amount, that has your entrepreneur bonus. So this bonuses you can avail it additional to your income. So this is just showing you an overview of a becoming a 12 percentage manager and the income to potentiality of a 12 percentage manager. Just the 3% duplication in a week, just target looking for 3 people, and when they duplicate the same 3% duplication works in your team, definitely in a very quicker way you can reach 12% manager level, and you can see the total income how much you would be paid for becoming a 12 percentage manager. So we do give trainings at various levels. So at each level in the success ladder, you will be getting trainings from the Oriflame Academy. Only if you are open to learn, then you can implement things from these trainings. So what else? Oriflame and its leaders provide a complete range of trainings and tools to support you, including online applications and e-learnings with no previous experiences needed here. So Oriflame puts your dream lifestyle within your reach. You can try our various ranges of products and look great. You can make money and you can travel and have fun by making teams all over worldwide. So if you're interested, you can just get in touch with your leader. She will give you the present month catalog. Just go through the catalog and select few products for initially, and then go ahead with registration. After registration, place your order just like ordering in any other e-com sites. You will be given an ID and password. Just place your orders, and your leader will add you to our working group. So there you can see how people are working and earning. You will be inspired by the testimonials there, and she will guide you on how to do name banking. Just like in your mobile you will be having nearly 100 contacts, right? So shortlist people from your mobile contacts. Among those contacts, you again filter or funnel the people for maximum 5 people for your product, who would be interested in products, 5 people who would be interested in business or who are looking for some additional income, some kind of income opportunity. You can just shortlist the people and your leader will guide you on how to recruit those people. Okay, so as Oriflame is a government registered company, we would be in need of authorizing our brand partners. So we do require your personal details like your name, date of birth, email address and self-attested ID proof. So if you are interested, you can just get in touch with your leader. She will register you. So are you ready for double speed success in 2021? So this is your chance to build your dream lifestyle. By joining Oriflame today, you give yourself a chance to start a new journey fulfilling your dream lifestyle. I wish you have a great successful start in Oriflame. Thank you.